Celebrity couple Tony Gonzaga and Paul Soriano introduced their daughter, Paulina, Polly, Celestine Gonzaga Soriano, to the Christian world in an intimate baptism ceremony. Attended by close friends and family. The private dedication of baby Polly took place in an undisclosed church on December 3, 2023. A series of posts from dedicated fan pages offered a peek into the joyous gathering, showcasing the tender moment shared by the family of four. From the photos made available to the public, it can be seen that the ceremony venue was elegantly adorned with floral arrangement in soft shades of white, pink and yellow. A heartwarming photograph stole the spotlight and captured the siblings' bond. The couple's firstborn beamed with pride as he lifted his newborn sister, Polly, in gesture that melted the hearts of the netizens. Tony and Paul couldn't resist sharing this precious moment on their Instagram stories. Another photo showed baby Polly crying when it was Tita Alex Gonzaga turn to carry the 4-month-old baby. Alex caption read, "Polly, ako kamukha mo. Huwag kang magpumiglas." One of Tony's stories showed a video of Paul waltzing with baby Polly in his arms. She captioned, "First dance with daddy."